optocoupler PC817. Push button 2 PC. Button 1 pin connecting with optocoupler anode pin. Button 2nd pin connecting with optocoupler cathode pin. Button 1st pin connecting with optocoupler emitter pin. Button 2nd pin connecting with optocoupler collector pin. 220 ohm resistance. Resistance one side connecting with optocoupler anode pin and other side connecting with optocoupler collector pin. "12-volt DC LED. LED positive side connecting with button. Connecting a wire with LED negative side. "12-volt supply. Perfect working.